Hey there, it's Kimberly Lucht, and today I want to share a meditation to embody more pleasure. And so I want you to just take a moment to breathe in before we begin. Breathe in through the mouth, breathe out through the mouth, breathe in through the mouth, and breathe out through the mouth. And on this last and third one, breathing in, feeling the pleasure of breathing in. And then feeling the pleasure of breathing out. Nice. So this meditation is really going to help you bring pleasure back into your body. And if you've been running around all day, if you've been kind of just like doing all the things and accomplishing all the to-do list items, and you want to just bring a little bit of that sensual, pleasurable energy back into your existence, this is the perfect practice for you. Right now, I want to use the hands a little bit. And so if there's a body part that you're like, all right, I really want to touch this area, go ahead and put your hand there now. And whether you do a little bit of like a self massage or just a little bit of a pressure moment, take a moment here to tap into that. And right now I'm like, yep, my shoulder blade is really loving this. Finding an area of your body where you're like, tapping back into the sensation of touch. And maybe this is the first time that you've touched your body today in an intentional way, right? And so maybe working into a different area. Like for me, I'm kind of feeling called to the arms. And so maybe it's one arm at a time or one leg at a time, or you can do both at the same time too. Just really feeling into the body and letting your body know that you're here with your body right now. Beautiful. And so gently letting your hands fall to your lap as we begin this meditation. Now that we're kind of in the body, we feel like, okay, we grounded down, we touched the body in a nice, pleasurable way. I want you to gently close your eyes if that feels safe for you. And we're really just gonna go on this kind of pleasure meditation experience, okay? Beautiful. So resting your hands on your lap, maybe taking a few deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Beautiful. And then gently softening your rhythm of breath so that it feels almost like a supple breeze moving through your hair, moving through your body, almost like what it would feel like on a warm summer evening. Allowing your body to melt into the chair a little bit, to melt into the surface beneath you. And taking a moment to really sink into the pleasure of this moment. What does it feel like to do that with me right now? Maybe activating the senses a little bit here, and maybe you hear things going on outside of listening to me. Maybe you smell things around you. Maybe you feel things around you, like the sensation of touch from the surface that you're on. Maybe you taste something in your mouth. And maybe even though you have the eyes closed, maybe you are perceiving a little bit of light coming in through your eyelids. Really tuning into the senses and tuning into that pleasurable energy around you. And letting the day go, letting the past go, and allowing this present moment to melt and trickle into your body. Almost like honey would drip into a cup of tea. That's the type of energy that we're inviting into this moment. Allowing your belly to open and expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale. Just finding a moment here to really thank your body for allowing pleasure to be a part of your life. And then on your next exhale, I want you to make the sound with me. So inhaling, exhaling. Let's do that again. 3 more times on your own. And then last time, inhaling in. Beautiful. Gently rolling your shoulders, getting back into the juiciness of your body, the pleasure of your body before you open your eyes. Feeling into any nooks and crannies that you feel like, all right, I want to get in here before we end the practice. Maybe stretching your chest open or stretching it backwards. Getting into the hips a little bit, whatever feels right for you. And whenever you're ready, gently opening your eyes to the room. I hope you feel as pleasurable and juicy as I do right now. And if you love this practice, you'll really love my group program, The Queen Bee Hive. It's a space for spiritual entrepreneurs who want to make more money and feel like honey. And if you want to invite more of this pleasure into your day-to-day business life, then you'd really, really love it. If you want more details, click the link below, and I really hope to see you on the inside. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.